Hey, we thought we would start the day off right with a coffee cocktail, and since a lot of you guys are watching this at 6 o'clock in the morning, you can start your day off right with us. My name's Leandro Demon Riva, and this is The Educated Barfly. On today's show, a cocktail. Gotta say, it was a bit unexpected. Let's get into making it. So today's video is sponsored by Mr. Black, and they are holding their second annual Global Coffee Cocktail Challenge. With over $2,000 in prizes, this is a challenge you guys are not going to want to miss. So we thought that it would be fun to follow the same parameters that you guys have, but don't worry, we're not allowed to compete. So you won't be competing against me. So the parameters are, has to be at least 1 ounce Mr. Black, it has to be an original creation, and it cannot be over 4 ounces. I think we just squeaked in. Let's make the cocktail. So first thing we're gonna do is take our already magically cut lime and put it into our squeezer and give it a squeeze. Then we're gonna do our fake flare. And there you go. Get our tin, and we're gonna do ½ an ounce of lime juice.
Was that a flare move? You shot it out of the...
No, that was just me making a mistake as usual. So ½ an ounce of lime juice. We're gonna do, it's like looking around for my pineapple, it's right there. 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice. Label out, Leandro. 1/4 of an ounce of Benedictine. 1/4 of an ounce Aperol. 1/4 of an ounce cherry Heering. 1 ounce of gin. You can use any gin you like. I'm going with the tried and true. And then, last but not least, the whole reason why we're here, 1 ounce of Mr. Black. And 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. So I've tried this cocktail out various ways, in a coupe, like served up. I tried it on a rock, with like in an old-fashioned glass, and I think it's just best served with pebble ice. I don't know if that's just because I've become just like more accustomed to using pebble lately, but this has got some tropical vibes, a little breakfasty tropical vibes here going on, so I think it's best served this way. Also, when you just put a little scotch or pebble in here, it helps you to aerate a little bit more. You're gonna need a lot of aeration from that pineapple. So we're just gonna go like that and give it a nice whip shake like we do. So we're gonna fill our glass up, and then we're just gonna pour our cocktail straight over it. And then we're just gonna garnish with a little dehydrated wheels. Just stick them in the back like so. I'm excited to taste this guy. All right. Oh yeah. I mean, obviously you get those coffee notes right up front. It's nice and tart, but not overly tart. You get that lime juice, it's really nice and bright. You can definitely feel the pineapple in there as well. What's really nice though is that the robustness of the coffee doesn't overtake the gin, and you still get those botanical elements. The other thing is you get the sort of viscosity and then flavor of the cherry Heering in there. And I'm gonna say that I'm detecting the Benedictine as well. So all of the flavors are completely represented. I like it. Oh yeah, it's good. This is something that I workshopped rather quickly, so still kind of tasting my way through it, but I think it's done. I think it's done. So there you have it, the breakfast Sunbird. So if you guys want to test your mettle and see if you guys can win over $2,000 in prizes, including a Birdie 3-piece shaker and a Breville coffee machine, go to coffeecocktail.com.au to enter. It opens on the 29th. And again, the parameters are, has to have at least 1 ounce of Mr. Black, can't be more than 4 ounces, and has to be an original cocktail. I have faith in you guys. For a more extended explanation of the rules and everything, just look in our video description, and I will see you guys another time. If you like this channel, hit like, hit subscribe. That helps us out a lot. If you want notifications, just click that little bell icon. That greatly helps us out, and then you will get notified every time we put a video up. Check out theeducatedbarfly.com for recipes, articles, our virtual bottle program. We've been kind of expanding the site a little bit, and that's been a lot of fun. And thank you very much to our YouTube members and our patrons who make this channel possible. I will see you guys later, and Leandro out. Live long and prosper, my friends.